Hi guys, I a question. What day think I'm going to speak today? Well, I'm going to talk about Columbus Day. Columbus Day is national holiday in many countries of the Americas and elsewhere which officials celebrate the anniversary of Christopher Columbus' arrival in the America on October 12, 1492. The landing is celebrated as Columbus Day in the United States as Día de la Raza or Day of the Race. In some countries in Latin America has Día de la Hispanidad and Fiestas Nacionales in Spain, where it is also the religious festival of the Virgen del Pilar, has Day de las Américas in Belice and Uruguay, has Día del Respeto de la Diversidad Cultural in the Argentina, and has Jornada Nacional di Cristoforo Colombo or Festes Nationals di Cristoforo Colombo in Italy as well as in Little Italy around the world. When the celebration of days is 12th of October and is traditional celebrate in second Monday in October. For example, 2017 October 9, 2018 October 8, and 2019 is in October 14. Where various countries in the America, Spain, Italy, or various little Italy around the world. For example, Argentina. Argentina is the day of the race was established in 1916 a decree of President Hipólito. And Colombia, this is the only country in the world with an day originates from Columbus himself celebrate. For finish is Venezuela. Between 1921 and 2002, Venezuela celebrates the Día de la Raza along with many other Latin American nations. Thanks for your attention. My name is Anny Carolina Niebles Grillo and 4th level of English of Universidad del Atlántico.